Sometimes we're all about discovering new places on a budget. Other times we're feeling a little bougie and ready for a splurge. Fancy matchas, oysters and champagne, tasting menus, and beautiful spaces. We're seeing just how far the experience can go. Join us for Bougie Day in Sofia. We're starting the day with some hyperbaric oxygen therapy. We're here at a place called Oxylife. I had heard about the oxygen therapy, that there's a lot of benefits, for example, faster recovery if you're very active, helping with brain fog and fatigue, and overall just getting that flush of oxygen into your bloodstream. First, they measure your blood pressure, and then we're ready to go inside the chamber.
Just sit with your thoughts.
Ta-da! Look at these beautiful matchas. A fig and Earl Grey matcha, and then a banana bread matcha. We are continuing our series, Budget versus Bougie, so we're going to show you how far 500 can go.
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
Let's go.
Cheers. So yummy.
This is with bacon.
This one is with bacon, cheddar, spring onions, and then we also have a sweet bun here with pistachios and chocolate that actually matches your pistachio outfit. How is it?
It's really good. Sydney.
We really want a dog.
Oh, well, you should get one.
Yeah.
This is my best friend.
Like games? Like video games?
Yeah,
She was a fairy.
How are you?
It's one of the
She has no. Okay. She likes it. She likes it.
I don't know yet.
Give me 100,000 of them.
Cheers, my dears. Okay, Dilly's first oyster. Here we go.
Okay.
Edda's first last break.
She was a fairy.
The sunglasses are 3D printed from a material that's used for prosthetics, because they're super strong yet super light. Even though the frame is very chunky, you'll see that they feel like there's nothing on the face. Literally me drawing them and couldn't connect the lines together. And I said, you know what, we need to keep this.
Right, I think the large is better.
They actually
Yes.
very well.
Let me get, you know, I feel like you.
Oh, I like your earrings. I love this. It's really cool.
I got it at Christmas. Yeah, I'm always
nice.
some guys
You're supposed to be
Yeah.
actual cutlery and
Yeah.
fucking welding them and shit. And I was like, hell yeah.
It's really cool. This one is called Crystal Garden. Yeah. Cool. Da, da, da. I read the history of this place during the war. It's deep like that because bombs were dropped right there.
Where?
See where it's deep? Just right behind the statue. We go this way. Straight. Get into Doctor's Garden. I've never been there. It's like pastries, cake.
Yeah. Looks schmancy fancy.
Fancy schmancy. Oh, that pop-up bazaar was too crowded and hot.
Yeah.
You know, it's a good thing we didn't take a taxi. Look at this traffic. This is a lemon tart. It has some cream, mascarpone, lime, lemon curd, and I think some kind of almond biscuit. Okay. It's really good. And it's not too tart, and it's also not too sweet. Here we have the chocolate garash cake. It's a traditional Bulgarian cake, but here at Marashian, they've made it definitely bougie. There's chocolate, candied pecans, pecan praline, cream, and some other yummy stuff. So let's try. This one is very rich. The lemon tart was more on the light side, and this one's very rich, but again, not too sweet. It's tasty, and with the pralines in there and the pecan, really nice. Enjoy, honey.
Thank you. So the tasting menu starts with this appetizer that has fermented butter, fermented bread, and Bulgarian spice called charneso. That's what you see in the middle. And then homemade honey. Our waiter suggested that we put everything on the bread and enjoy it like that. So Hannah's making her perfect bite. Zdravе.
Good evening. So this is the next step for the tasting menu. We have 3 types of bites. First, we recommend you start with the one on the fork. We have lacto-fermented carrots, apricot dressing and mustard seeds on top. Then the little stone fried sourdough bread with tarama, which is like a fish mayonnaise, smoked trout, horseradish, walnuts, and cucumbers. And then this little guy here, this is what we call cookie. On special occasions, like New Year's Eve, for example, people dress up like this with big heights, bells, scary masks, and they dance to music. And the idea is to make a loud noise to banish evil spirits. We recommend you start with the carrots, then the fried sourdough bread, and this little guy here. The pie that we have, it's called cindermio. This is a smoked corn flour. We cook it with a lot of butter, a lot of cheese.
And this is with tarama and pickles. So good. Perfect tarama.
There's some truffle in there and
Nazrave.
oh, thank you.
Next step. Tomato and fresh cow cheese. Was from second traditional Bulgarian fermented sheep cheese. Chips from watermelon, which is marinated in lentil sauce, and butter.
This has watermelon chips. If you don't like it, I'll eat yours. She really hates watermelon. She does not love it.
Does it taste like a lot of watermelon?
No, the watermelon is super subtle. You might not even notice. With the tomatoes and watermelon, Cosmos tasting menu is not letting the summer go. What are you drinking, Etta?
This is rakia mem. Rakia is a Bulgarian liquor made with grapes. They make it with any type of fruit. This is with grapes.
How is it?
Perfect.
Creams from an Balkan prosciutto, the most famous Bulgarian prosciutto, foam from a cow cheese, and powder from tomato sauce.
This is calamari, shaped in calamari.
Good.
So when we walked in, I noticed on the side bag that's made from leather, and I asked, "What is this?" And then they said that it is a sheep cheese in a leather bag. And my grandma used to make this type of cheese. We call it bitter cheese. And I tasted it, and it tastes exactly like the one that my grandma used to make.
Fish bones. It's very rich of collagen and potato with saffron and butter. And this thing under the sarma in both the potato skin. Yes.
Oh.
Yes.
Potatoes.
So and
Trout. Is trout river fish? Oh, I don't like river fish. Let's see. This is sarma with fish trout. Good. And she mentioned that this sauce is made with the fish bones and very rich in collagen.
And you're not usually a fan of river fish.
This is grape leaves, right? Really, really nice with the grape leaves.
What is sarma?
Sarma means, in Turkish, that you roll things. Sarma means rolling. I finished entirely everything in this plate. Oh, let me check if this is what I think it is. I need to translate it. If that's the case,
Because you don't like it.
no, because I don't like this fish. And if that's the case, I'm gonna get up and start clapping. It is. It is.
So we got the wine and cocktail pairing, and now we're trying a Bulgarian red from Melnik. The grape is called Shiroka. It's a local Bulgarian grape. Melnik is near to Greece. Cheers.
Oh, come on!
Cooked with what?
Beer.
Beer.
Lamb sausage, lamb heart, liver.
Oh, liver again.
Have you had too many cocktails now? We've had
Yes.
like, this is now gin, and it's gimlet.
Strawberry.
Yeah. Boop. By the way, I love this mavrud.
Sheep hard cheese with fig jam, I guess.
Oh, okay, fig jam. And then another one was an older sheep cheese with rose jam. And the other one is a cow cheese with, do you remember?
Berries.
Berries. Okay, let's try. We put a lot of love into this video. To see more videos like this, you can support our new channel with a like and subscribe. What did we miss? Should we do another bougie round? Drop your ideas in the comments.